My name is Lavanya and today I'll be talking about something called the aloe vera gel. I'm sure you have heard about this. So the role of aloe vera in the human healthcare is that it has helped a lot of people in a lot of ways as aloe vera itself has its own benefits. Me personally, I've been using this for years now because I have a skin condition called eczema. So therefore, whenever I go under the sun, it actually gets worse. Therefore, I need to apply this in order to reduce the itchiness and also the redness on my skin. So what do I do is I take a small amount of this much, and I will just apply it on my arm or wherever the burn area is. So I will just let it set until it dries off, and I will just wash it off when I'm showering. So that's about it, and moving on to the next one. Moving forward, aloe vera gel can be applied on our hair as well. Aloe vera gel contains vitamins such as A, C and E, which actually contributes to our cell turnover in our scalp, promotes hair growth, makes our hair more silkier and smoother, and also it makes our hair healthier. And also aloe vera gel contains vitamins such as vitamin 12 and also folic acid, which actually keeps our hair from falling out. Now I'll be showing you on how to apply this aloe vera gel on our hair. I would personally mix it with this parachute coconut oil, and I will just let it soak in my hair for 1 to 2 hours, and then I'll just wash it off. So now I'll be showing you. So
take a sufficient amount and just put it on your hand, and a bit of oil, and just apply it on our hair. Just apply it till the tip of our hair, and you don't want to put a lot of oil because our scalp is already oily, therefore a bit of oil would be fine. You can actually use it with olive oil also. So another so it's important to get all the areas of your hair. And once you're done, you just want to tie it up in a bun. So take your so just tie it up, and yeah, you got it. And just let it set for 1 to 2 hours, and you're good to go.
you can actually apply aloe vera on your face and leave it overnight because it can actually increase blood flow and also kills all the harmful bacteria. Or else, if you prefer washing it right after it dries out on your face, it's either way is going to give you the same benefits. It reduces all the redness on your face and also the irritation, and also reduces all the dark spots on your face and reduces all the dark circles around your eyes, and it opens up all the clogged pores as well. So once you apply the aloe vera gel, you can actually see the difference because your skin will become much more smoother. And it's better to apply aloe vera because it is made out of natural ingredients. And yeah, I would personally recommend using this because this is one of the best product there is. Yeah. Nextly, aloe vera gel can be applied on our face as well. The benefits are it can actually help with our sunburn. Like when we go under the sun, we'll get sunburn on our faces. So it is best to use aloe vera gel to soothe the burn areas, and also it can be used on oily skin because aloe vera helps to seal the moisture on our face. And that you need to apply immediately after you wash your face. And also moving on, some of them could get eczema on their face as well, especially the areas where people usually sweat around the mouth area. So instead of using all these chemical creams, thyroid creams, it is better to use aloe vera gel to reduce the itchiness and also the redness. And yeah, so now I'll be showing you on how to apply this aloe vera gel on our face.
So we just take a small amount and then we just So if you have any burn areas on your face, just rub it up and you can just apply it on your neck as well. So just let it dry and then you can just wash it off or just wipe it off. So yeah. Just letting it fall. Just massage your face while waiting for it to dry. As you can see, it has already dried, so you can just go and wash it off with normal water.
So I have washed it off, so you just wipe it out. Yeah, that's about it. So it actually smooths the skin on your face, and you know, it's just amazing. Yeah. You can actually apply aloe vera on your face and leave it overnight because it can actually increase blood flow and also kills all the harmful bacteria. Or else, if you prefer washing it right after it dries out on your face, it's either way it's going to give you the same benefits. It reduces all the redness on your face and also the irritation, and also reduces all the dark spots on your face and reduces all the dark circles around your eyes, and it opens up all the clogged pores as well. So once you apply the aloe vera gel, you can actually see the difference because your skin will become much more smoother. And it's better to apply aloe vera because it is made out of natural ingredients. And yeah, I would personally recommend using this because this is one of the best product there is. Yeah. Moving on, aloe vera gel can be applied on our scars as well. If you have any burn scars, any surgical scars, or as for me, I have all these scars from my eczema. I tend to scratch when it's scratchy, therefore I have quite a number of scars. Therefore I tend to apply this because it actually reduces the appearance and it makes it more lighter. As time goes, it would actually disappear. I have seen the results for myself, so I'm just gonna apply it on my scar and just leave it on. And yeah, so these are the benefits of using aloe vera on your skin and also on your hair. And yeah, I hope you benefit from this video, and that's all from me. Thank you.